Among the world's greatest automotive brands, one name stands above the rest: Mercedes-Benz. A symbol of luxury, power, and engineering excellence. But this global icon did not begin at the top. It started with a bold idea, in a time when cars did not even exist. From invention, to destruction, to unstoppable dominance, this is the incredible journey of Mercedes-Benz. How it rose from nothing to become one of the most powerful luxury brands in the world. Stay with us as we uncover the story behind the legend. In the late 19th century, the world stood on the brink of a revolution. An era dominated by horse-drawn carriages was about to be transformed forever. In 1886, a German engineer named Karl Benz introduced what is widely recognized as the world's first automobile, the Benz patent motor wagon. At the same time, another brilliant mind, Gottlieb Daimler, along with Wilhelm Maybach, was working on a high-speed gasoline engine. Although these pioneers worked independently, their vision shared a common goal: to redefine human mobility. What began as mechanical experimentation soon became the foundation of an industry that would shape the modern world. This was not just innovation, this was the birth of Mercedes-Benz. In 1926, two great engineering legacies merged to form Daimler-Benz. The name Mercedes had already gained global recognition through Emil Jelinek, who named cars after his daughter. From luxury to performance, Mercedes-Benz quickly became a symbol of precision engineering. Their vehicles were not only elegant, but technologically superior. By the 1930s, Mercedes dominated motorsport, setting records that stunned the world. This was the era where innovation met ambition. The Second World War brought immense challenges. Factories were repurposed, production shifted, and destruction followed. After the war, Mercedes-Benz faced one of the darkest periods in its history. But from the ruins, resilience emerged. By the 1950s, Mercedes redefined itself, producing iconic cars like the 300 SL Gullwing, a symbol of recovery, strength, and engineering brilliance. As decades passed, Mercedes-Benz became a global leader. From safety innovations like ABS and airbags to cutting-edge design, the brand led the industry. Their commitment to excellence extended into Formula One, where performance reached new heights. Luxury, safety, and performance became their identity. Mercedes was no longer just a car. It was a statement. Today, Mercedes-Benz stands at the forefront of innovation once again. With electric vehicles, AI integration, and sustainable engineering, the company is shaping the future. The EQ series represents a bold step toward electrification. Yet the spirit remains unchanged: innovation, luxury, and excellence. From a small workshop in 1886 to a global icon, Mercedes-Benz continues to drive the future forward.